Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. In this lesson, learn everyday words you hear when you go shopping. Understand what they mean so you can speak confidently while buying things, asking about prices, or returning items. The word price means the amount of money you must pay for something. It shows the value or cost of an item. For example, you can ask, "What is the price of this jacket?" Or say, "The price is too high for me." Knowing how to talk about prices helps you compare things and decide what to buy. A discount means a lower price than usual. It is when the shop gives you a reduction in cost. Stores give discounts to attract more customers. For example, this store offers a 20% discount. Or, "Can I get a student discount?" You can listen and look for discounts when shopping to save money. A sale is a special time when many items are cheaper than usual. Shops often have weekend or seasonal sales to help customers buy more. You can say, "There is a big sale this weekend," or "I bought these shoes during the summer sale." A sale is a chance to buy good items for less money. A receipt is a piece of paper or a digital record that shows what you bought and how much you paid. It is proof of purchase. For example, keep your receipt in case you want to return the item. Or you can ask, "Can you send me an email receipt?" Always keep receipts for safety and record keeping. A refund means you get your money back. It happens when you return something to the shop, usually because it is wrong, damaged, or not what you wanted. For example, "I got a full refund for the defective product." Or, "The store refused to give me a refund without a receipt." A refund protects the buyer's rights. Here are some useful questions you can ask when shopping. How much does this cost? Is this on sale? Do you offer a discount? Can I get a refund if I change my mind? Could I have a receipt, please? Practice these questions to sound polite and clear while shopping or talking to store staff. Let's review what you learned. The word price means how much something costs. Discount means a lower price. Sale is a time when many things are cheaper. A receipt is your proof of purchase. Refund means money you get back after returning an item. Remember these words and use them in daily life to speak naturally while shopping.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.